How to add a notification pop-up to Wix. In order to add a notification pop-up, you can head over right here into a third-party application which is called Elfsight. Just sign up for an account and search in here for notification. They have sales notification, they have regular pop-ups, as well as timer, cookie consent, and announcement bar. For this case, let's head over and choose in here this pop-up only. You can choose in here a template that you want to use as your notification pop-up. We have in here some sales notification, announcement, Thanksgiving, as well as options for the actual sale. I'll choose in here this 3 days only, and let's continue with this template. You can change the heading, the text, the spacing, the buttons, and the images. And once you're done with all of those, click onto this publish option and choose in here the actual plan that you want to use for your Elf site. I'll select the free plan for now. Now copy the code that it will give and head back to your Wix website. Head over to any part of the page. Don't worry because it will be notified or recognized as a pop-up instead of an actual block on each section. Click on embed, then go to the embed code and then add that HTML right here. Once it's been added, head over and click onto this enter code. Then enter the code that we have been given earlier. Click on update. And it should be able to appear right around here. And it will pop up as an actual pop-up onto your actual site. So that's how you add a notification pop-up to Wix. Hope we helped.